Meaning of Egyptian.
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 Egyptian. The term Egyptian refers to people, language, culture, or anything pertaining to Egypt, a country located in North Africa. Egypt is known for its rich history, ancient civilization, and iconic landmarks such as the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx. The people of Egypt are called Egyptians and mostly speak Arabic. Egyptian culture is heavily influenced by the country's ancient past and Islamic traditions. Egyptian cuisine is also famous worldwide, with dishes such as kosheri, full medams, and taimia.